And hello guys, welcome to Screaming Time. So Nico's nextbot got an update, so we're gonna play it. And let's go. No sound challenge. Okay. Let's go. No, has no sound. Holy God! Afton, he got the most kills. Congratulations, Finance of Freddy's Afton. Huh? Holy God! That scared me out. Hey, the power's back on. Yeah. Holy God, shake. It's you again. You mother. You cannot kill me. Oh! I didn't see that coming. You're in the ship doom. Let's go, snacks. Ow. My phone is laggy. Oh, it's the guy that killed me. That stupid shit. Oh, what the frick? Ow. Where's the next bots? Oh, my friend is here. Holy God! Holy! Stupid flies. I will kill you next bots. Did you see that? You see that? Holy God! He no-clipped it to backrooms. Waluigi. Toshtaro nani? Yeah. Awesome. Charger. It's Charger. The guy from part 5. It's Charger. How he's been playing. Holy God! Oh God. Oh heck no. Bro, oh heck no, bitch. Holy! Why? Pom pom pim, bitch. You cannot get me going, huh? Another guy just no-clipped it to back rooms. I have a school tomorrow. Oh, I'm strong. I will kill you till you're bits. You're running shit. Holy God. Go, yes, go, heck no, oh heck no, fuck, I will scream the shit out of him again. I will hide in there. Oh heck no! Ow! I just lied to wall. Please don't sit there. Charger, your chair and charger. Oh my God! Oh my God! How did I survive that? Oh, it's him. It's them. Fuck. My friend is a Filipino guy, so I don't know what he's saying. Good connection be like. Yeah, good connection be like. Hey, yo, he's moonwalking. Good connection be like. Bruh. Wait. Good connection be like, bruh. Oh. Let's go. Oh shit, holy so much. Oh, did you see that gadget hit my head? Just flying around and hit my head for no reason. How are you? Ah! Oh heck no. 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 I wish I had Gmod. Frick. Oh. Philippines! Cool wolf, eh? It's me. He's offline or something. Holy God. How did I die? Did someone push me or something? I don't know. Roar. Holy God. My frames. 60 frames. 60 FPS or 1 FPS per hour. Sorry for my bad phone. He kicked me like see. Yeah, boy. Oh my God. Oh heck no. Really, dog? Why did I dash to the nextbot? Holy God. Good thing I survived. Oh heck no. Oh, he's there. I'm still 1 mile away of him. Why did I? Holy God, why did I die? Hello, big man. Oh, big man.
Yes, madam.
Lol, don't come to me. Oh, he's coming to me. Oh. I said he died for 2 times in a row. Like in my cameraman. Oh, you shit. Jump to this barrel. Yeah, I just pro jump. You can't kill me, yeah, you can't kill me, yeah, you can't kill me, yeah, Let's go. This will end in like 15 minutes. Oh my God, he's there. Holy God, dying. Holy. He no clipped it, and then he killed me. Dostaro nani. Really, dog? Really, dog? Him again with the blue demon. Why, God? My God, heck no. Dang. Is that, wait, do you know this guy from, I don't know, Call of Duty or something? It's a robot. I think it's Bastion on Overwatch. Girl staring for the door, be like, I'm out of here. 20 FPS drop. Good. Oh, he's there. Why did I dash through to the wrong seasoning? Why can I keep killing myself? Oh yeah, that's the vent I'm looking for. Crawling through the vents. Oh yeah. 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 Yeah, when I see this, this vent, when I look there, there's a nextbot, and then he killed me. Is there? Let's go. There. A nextbot is there. Oh, it's here. Let me crawl through this shit. Oh. Good. Somebody said error. Yeah, this is an, he trapped me. Okay, time to reset. Because he mother freaking trapped me to the door. So, still there. For no reason. Holy God! It's no criminal. And it's the blue demon. Run for your God's sake. Run, dash. Yes, dash to the wall, die. Yes. Bird. No, it's a bird. No, it's a plane. It's Among Us. Boom. Dun. Oh, it's criminal. Gotta run for him, or else he will cut his sake. I will cut, and he cut will sake. Hey, you can catch us. Toshtaro. Okay. Dash! Oh. Holy God, I just got Sonic speed when I die. Holy God. Ah. Open the door. My favorite YouTuber is Jacksepticeye. Screaming now, so he's there. Oh, he's there. Open the gates! gates! Open the gates! Open the gates! Open the gates! Open the gates! Man. Oh, it's 15. Another 5 minutes. We're gonna end this at 20 minutes! I hate nextbots. Are you saying why am I playing them? Because they're fun. And then kinda little awkward. No, I'm not going here. What is here? Oh, this. Oh. Another shortcut. Boy. Another shortcut. Another shortcut. Yeah, another shortcut. Do not run to me. Do not run to me. How did he? Are he fast? God. Oh, God's sake. Oh. Good connection be like. I will kick his sick ass. Just don't say the N-word because they're bad, because I don't want to bully black people. Holy God. I think he slammed the door. Oh heck. Oh, what the did that door respond? Oh heck no, bye. La 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 la. He's faster than me. I have sonic speed. Look at me. See that? See that? See that? Hear that? Hear that? That footsteps. You stupid nextbots. I will kick his own. I will kick his own career. I forgot English. Wait. Wait, what? Wait, the guy just had my name. That thinks 09. Jaden. That's me, Jaden. That's my real name. Boys. Are you me but in the future? Are you me but have Roblox? Are you me but taller? Are you me or glitchy me? Man, I found my future me and my mother's. Oh heck no! Ah! Why, God? I will scream for like 5 minutes now. Why? Why did I play this shit? Oh my God. Oh, it's the bag of chips. It's the bag of chips. Hey! Holy! Well, I'm gonna end this episode from here. I find my future me. Holy crap. So I will end this video right here so I can relax for not screaming. Please subscribe. Bye. Beep.